There are 110 calories per 177.4 grams of my favorite cereal. How many calories are in 211.5 grams? Okay, so this is a proportion problem. And standardized test makers love problems like this, okay? So you really want to know how to do this if you see this again. And we're going to set up a proportion. We know this ratio here, 110 calories to 177.4 grams. And then they're giving us a different amount of grams, and we need to figure out the different amount of calories. So first, let's make our ratio. 110 over 177.4. Okay, now notice what I'm doing is I'm putting calories on top and grams on the bottom. And this ratio is going to equal another ratio, and I have to also put calories on top and grams on the bottom. That's the only mistake I really see here, is the calories to the grams. So 211.5 is grams, and where do my grams go? Down here on the bottom. So let's put our 211.5. Okay, and I'm even going to put, I'll put a G here for grams and a G here for grams and a C here for calories. Now what we don't know is how many calories are in 211.5 grams. So that's going to be our unknown, and it's up here, and I'll call it X. All right, now when you have a proportion, what most students like to do is just to cross multiply. Math people might get upset with me for saying that. It's the cross products equal each other. So we have X times 177.4 equals 110 times 211.5. Okay, and now I have no more fractions. I have an equation that I can solve. Let's put these two together. 110 times 211.5. Let me do that in the calculator. 110 times 211.5. All right, and that is going to give me 23265. Okay, 23,265. And this side will drop down. And there's really only one algebraic step to solve this. I want to get my X by itself. Is the X by itself? No, it's being multiplied times this number. And how do I get rid of multiplication? Divide. I will divide the left side by 177.4, and I will divide the right side by 177.4. Now on the left side, that reduces down to 1, right? Cancels out. So I have an X all by itself. And then on the right side, 23265 divided by 177.4 is going to give me 131.1443067. Now, I doubt that they want me to give them all of these decimals, and if they don't tell me to round, I need to check and see if I did something wrong. Okay, let me look at the problem. It says round to the nearest whole number. Okay, so this is the place for the whole numbers. I look to the right. Is this number here big enough to make it go up, or does it stay the same? It's going to stay the same. So my answer is 131, and this was calories, right? Because remember, calories was up here at the top. 131 calories.